to Takeoff. It's a dangerous world out here, man. Certain motherfuckers just do shit, and it ain't even about robbing a nigga. It ain't even about nigga doing something to him that really deserved it. It's more about nigga clout, nigga, with these little niggas, nigga. Niggas want clout. Niggas want to be like, they just want that on their rep. Even if don't nobody know they did it, just so they know. You feel me? And that's the fucked up thing about this game, man. When you shining and you get to a certain level where you deserve to be, niggas always try to cut you off. That's why you gotta watch your surroundings. Niggas let a motherfucker say what they want. But on some real nigga shit, a smart nigga don't give a fuck what you talking about. You say what you want. Yeah, you ain't gonna put your hands on a real nigga, and you can't take the mind of a real nigga. A real nigga gonna outthink you, outsmart you every time.